We cannot speak loud in the rooms where the system are because people are listening and we cannot interfere. But we will wait until the chance we can speak with the chief of this company, Stenheim, and meanwhile try to explain why we love these speakers so much. Because first of all, they're very sensitive, they're very universal. You can listen to classical music as now, or you can listen to rock, you can listen to modern music. That's the speakers, they can be the foundation of the very universal system. They are very detailed, they are very transparent, they are very natural, and as you hear, they have huge dynamic range. All questions to the head of the Stenheim company come to one. What techniques were used to achieve such a pure, natural sound from the speakers?
I think it's a combining of different technology that we are using to get this result. So I would start with the enclosure, aluminium enclosure, but really well developed to get rid of all the resonance of the panel, because the enclosure has to be absolutely silent, so it has to give no contribution to the sound. The two effects of that you have more resolution, because those little details are not hidden by the coloration of the enclosure. That's a very important point. And then, yes, of course, you have all the dynamic coming from the system, because you have a very good mechanical reference. It's pretty weighty, but it's for the benefit of the dynamic range. That's the first things. And then the second things, we are using pretty high efficiency drivers. Mm-hmm. Some of the highest possible efficiency for passive drivers, but also working without horns, because we prefer to have the standard driver working together. It gives a more coherent sound, more natural, so it's easier. But at the end of the day, we need also to have a sophisticated crossover, because all drivers have to work in the same way, and we don't have to hear any difference when we go from the transition. It has to be seamless, it has to be natural. So that's a very important point at the end. You have the microdynamic, you have all the resolution, but the sound remain very natural. That's maybe the three most important parts of our design.